Hello and welcome, dear students. I, Mr. Mohammad Saad, welcomes you to my YouTube channel, Saad the Pharmacist Academy. This session is continuation of MCQ series of subject Drug Store and Business Management. Here I am with our speaker, Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin sir. I invite him to interact with you for discussing DSBM MCQ questions. About brief introduction, our speaker, Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin sir, is basically from Barsi Takli district, Akola. He is M.Pharm in pharmacognosy. He published 5 research articles and 2 review articles and attended 2 international and national conferences. From 10 years, he is in UBKWTD Pharmacy College as an HOD in the Department of Pharmacognosy. So without any further delay, I hand over this session to Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin sir to please continue. Sir, please.
Hello guys, myself Mohammad Azharuddin. I am thankful to Saad sir for giving opportunity to explain the multiple choice questions. Now we will see all the MCQs question one by one with explanation. The first question is poultry farm comes under. The options of this question is extractive industry, genetic industry, manufacturing industry, and last one construction industry. And the right answer of this question is genetic industry. Okay. Second question is that channel of distribution is zero level in. Option of this question: manufacturer, physician, consumer; manufacturer, wholesaler, physician, patient; manufacturer, retailer, patient; manufacturer, patient. The right answer of this question is manufacturer, patient, because in this there is no intermediaries or middlemen. Manufacturer directly sell the goods to the patient. Okay. So this is the right answer, D. Manufacturer directly sell the goods to patient. Okay. Next question. OTC drugs are. Option of these questions: ethical drug, prescription drugs, ethical and prescription drug, non-prescription drug. The correct answer is non-prescription drug. As you know, I have explained the meaning of OTC in regular lecture. For selling of OTC drug, no prescription is required. So OTC drugs come under non-prescription drug. Okay. Next question. Item which constitutes 60 to 70% of total inventory and requires 20% of total investment on inventories come under. Options are A class item, B C class item, C D class item, D B class items. Okay, as you know, all the inventories are divided according to their money value and consume value. Okay, so according to this inventory concept, the right answer of this question is B, C class item. Okay. Next question. In VED analysis, D stand for. Options are data of receipt of items, deviation of stock, desirable items, daily desired items. The answer of this question is C, desirable item. ठीक है. Next question. Safety stock is used. Option for this question are A. For protection of store from fire or theft. B. As an insurance claim during emergency. C. For emergency to meet unforeseen demand. D. To increase the market value of product. And the right answer of this question is C. Now we will see the next question. ICICI stand for. The options of these questions are Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. B. Industrial and Commercial Investment Corporation of India. C. Indian Corporation of Investment and Commercial Institution. D. Industrial Corporation of Investment and Credit Income. Right answer is A. The full form of ICI stand for Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Now next question. A type of account relating to loss and income is. Options are A. Personal account. B. Real account. C. Nominal account. D. Profit and loss account. As I have previously told you, there are three main types of account in accountancy. Okay, personal account related to any person, any college, universities, पर्सनल अकाउंट में आते हैं. रियल अकाउंट रिलेटेड टू कैपिटल, कैश अकाउंट एट्सेट्रा. नॉमिनल अकाउंट रिलेटेड टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस इन द बिजनेस. ओके, तो राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज सी. नॉमिनल अकाउंट. द प्रॉफिट earned in the business or loss suffered in the business which are related to nominal account. Next question. Buying and selling of pharmaceutical items for making profit is called. Option of this question is trading, commerce, direct service, miscellaneous. The right answer is D. I have explained in regular lecture the definition of trading. Trading means buying or selling of goods, okay, or exchange of goods or services. Okay, the right answer for this question is trading. Next, buying of item from foreign country is called. Options for these questions are A. Import. B. Export. C. Interport. D. All of these. The right answer is import. Okay, import means purchasing of goods. A trader of one country purchase the goods from other countries. This is import. Export means trader of one country sell the goods to the trader of other country. This is export. Interport means trader of one country purchase the goods from one country and sell the goods to other country. This is interport. And D, all of these, this is wrong. Okay, the right answer of this question is import. Okay. Now next question is housing is done to show. Housing means to store the goods or product. The housing is done to show. The options of this question are time, labor requirement, place, cost. Answer is place. The goods is stored at a particular place to protect the goods from damage, spoilage, theft, fire. Okay, for the protection of goods. in order to prevent the loss of product. Okay, so warehousing is very important in business. Next question, business is an, the options: A, non-economic activity; B, economic activity; C, both A and B; D, none of the above. Right answer of this question is B, economic activity. This question comes under the definition of business. Business is an economic activity. The aim of business is to gain a profit. Okay, to gain a economic, so person who are busy in economic activity, for example buying or selling of goods, transportation of goods, warehousing of goods, all these are the economic activities. Next question, maximum number of member in private limited company is, options: A, 30; B, 20; C, 50; D, unlimited. The right answer is 50. As you know, the maximum number of member in private limited company required only 50. Okay. The registration of partnership is, option of this question: A, compulsory under Partnership Act 1932; B, optional C, compulsory under Companies Act 1956; D, none of the above. Right answer is B, optional. Now we will move to next question. Question number 15. The oldest form of business organization is, options are joint stock company, sole proprietorship, partnership, all of the above. Right answer is sole proprietorship. As you know the meaning of sole proprietor. Sole means single, only one owner of the business. Okay. Next question. In a mail order business, goods are sold on, options are A, cash; B, credit; C, both A and B; D, option installment basis. The correct answer of this question is cash. As you know, mail order business means the business activity which are carried by the post. Mail means post. All the business activities going on through the post or by the post. Okay, so in this business the goods are sold on cash basis. Okay. Next question, wholesaler deal in, option of this question are A, small quantity of goods; B, large quantity of goods; C, better quality of goods; D, all of the above. As you know, I have explained in lecture wholesaler. The meaning of wholesaler is the person or businessman or intermediaries who purchase the goods from the manufacturer in bulk quantity and sell them directly to the retailer. Okay. The answer of this question is large quantity of goods. Okay. Next question, economic order quantity EOQ aims at minimizing, option of this question are carrying cost, ordering cost, both A and B; D, supplier price. Answer is both A and B. Economic order quantity means both the quantity, carrying cost and ordering cost, will be the minimum. This is the definition I have explained previously in the lecture. Minimum economic order quantity means the quantity of order at which carrying cost and ordering cost will be the minimum. Carrying cost means the charges of transportation. Okay, ordering cost means to place the order, है ना, typing charges, communication charges, है ना, the person who are engaged for in this working for placing the order. So all these charges include in ordering cost. So both the costs are included in economic order quantity. Next question, inventory is a, and options, significant part of cost, irrelevant part of cost, ignorable part of cost, all of the above. Answer is A, significant part of cost. Next question, recruitment process is considered as, options are negative, B positive, C multiple, D desirable. And correct answer of this question is positive, B answer. Next question, question number 21. Shareholders are, options A owner, B creditor, C manager, D any of the above. The correct answer is owner. As you know, if you want to start any business, if you want to invest your capital in any other business, you will take a share, you will invest, you will pay your amount. Okay, so shareholder becomes a owner of the business. Okay, even the person is not involving in business activity, if he is investing his capital, he will be the owner of business. Okay, so shareholder are the owners of the business. Okay, next question, bank is an organization which deals in A deposit, B loan, C money, D all of the above. The correct answer is D all of the above. Okay, as you know, bank perform various functions like deposit of money from his customer. B, bank also provide the loan facilities to their customers. Okay, exchange of money. All these are the functions of bank. Okay, the correct answer all of the above, D. Now we will move towards the question number 23. Number of columns in journal is, options are A2, B3, C4, D5. The correct answer is 5. As you know, the journal is the book of original entry. As and when transaction takes place in business, the transaction first recorded in a book of original entry. This is journal. From the journal, the transaction is posted to ledger. The journal is the book of original entry. You also know that the credit transaction and cash transaction, both the transaction are recorded in these books. Okay, the correct answer of this question is 5. 5 columns present in journal. Now we will see next question, question number 24. A ledger contain, options are A personal account, B real account, C nominal account, D all of the above. The answer of this question is all of the above. Okay, next question, question number 25. Left side of an account is known as, options are A asset side, B liability side, C debit side, D credit side. Right answer of this question is debit side. Next question, a trial balance is option A account, B statement, C subsidiary book, D schedule. The right answer is statement. As you know, trial balance is an statement which is prepared after preparation of ledger at the end of financial accounting period. Okay, एकेडमिक कैलेंडर जब एंड होता है, जब इसको प्रिपेयर करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैश बुक इज अ. ऑप्शंस आर ए मेमोरेंडम बुक, बी सेकेंडरी बुक, सी प्रिंसिपल बुक, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. राइट आंसर इज सी प्रिंसिपल बुक. As you know, the cash transaction is recorded in cash book. Okay. Next question, good purchased on credit will be recorded in. Options of these questions are A sales book, B purchase book, C purchase return book, D journal paper. Answer is purchase book. If you purchase any goods or material, whether it may be cash basis or on credit basis, you should record the transaction in purchase book. Okay, the correct answer is purchase book, B. Next question, question number 29, multiple shops deal in. Options are A all goods, B same type of goods, C specified same type of goods, D specified type of goods. The right answer is C specified same type of goods. Okay, next question, goods which are used by final consumers are called. Options are A capital goods, B consumer goods, C producer goods, D none of the above. The right answer is B consumer goods. The name itself indicates consumer who consume the goods ultimately. Okay, कोई भी पर्सन जब गुड्स को खरीदता है और वो उसको यूज़ करता है तो उसको हम कंज्यूम बोलते हैं, कंज्यूमर बोलते हैं. तो कंज्यूमर क्या करता है, गुड्स को कंज्यूम करता है, यूज़ करता है, तो वो हो गया कंज्यूमर गुड्स. नाउ वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. द क्वेश्चन इज, अ पर्सन हु इज इंटरेस्टेड टू स्टार्ट अ रिटेल ड्रग स्टोर मस्ट बी. ऑप्शंस आर A diploma in pharmacy, means D pharmacy, B chemist, C registered pharmacist, D druggist. The right answer is C. The person who want to start his pharmacy business must be a registered pharmacist. Okay. Next question. In retail drug store, the medicines are arranged according to. Options are A according to manufacturer, B pharmacological action, C alphabetical order, D all of the above. Okay, as you know, there are various methods used for store of drugs in drug store. Okay, according to manufacturer, there are so many manufacturer which are prepared different medicine. Drug or medicine can be stored according to their pharmacological action, like like anti-malarial drug, anti-diabetic drug, anti-tubercular drug, anti-cancer drug. All these are the classes. We can store the medicine according to the pharmacological action. Okay. Right answer of this question is all of the above. Okay. The pharmacist can store the medicine according to manufacturer, according to pharmacological action, according to alphabetic order. Alphabetic order means the first letter of the name of medicine. For example, paracetamol, this is the name of medicine. The first letter is P. So P alphabet like this. A atenolol tablet. So atenolol tablet will come under the class or category of alphabet A. So total letters 26. Okay. So it is very easy for identification of medicine, time consumer methods. So any one method can be used by the pharmacist. Okay. Now next question. The minimum qualification to start a retail drug store is. Options are first A. D pharmacy, B pharmacy, C graduate with science, D any degree. Right answer is D pharmacy, means diploma in pharmacy. This is the minimum qualification required for starting retail drug store. Okay. Next question. A ledger is book of. Options A original entry, B secondary entry, C all cash transaction, D petty cash transaction. Right answer of this question is secondary entry. Okay. As you know, ledger is the book of original entry. Journal is the book of original entry and ledger is the secondary entry. Means as and when transaction takes place in a business, first of all, we should record this transaction in a journal. After journal, the transaction is posted into ledger. So ledger is a book of secondary entry of transaction. Okay. Next, budget is a. Options are A financial statement, B quantitative statement, C a report only, D any of the above. Correct answer is quantitative statement. Okay. As you know, there are various types of budget. Fixed budget, flexible budget, according to the time factor, manufacturing budget. Okay. Next question is a banker is a. Option are A principal of customer, B agent of customer, C both principal and agent, D none of the above. Right answer of this question is both principal and agent. Next question. Selection of a drugstore site depend on. Options are A cash in hand, B hospital proximity, C hygienicity of place, D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The pharmacists who want to start drug store, the various factors should be considered while selecting the site. For example, first of all, cash in hand, okay, traffic, locality, new developing areas, all these are the factors. Okay. Next question. The layout of a drug store depends upon. Options A. Pharmacist or proprietor. B. Rules specified in Schedule N. C. Availability of space. D. All of the above. Correct answer of this question is B. Rules specified in N. तो लेआउट डिज़ाइन जो होता है ड्रग स्टोर का वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स होती है, रूल और शेड्यूल स्पेसिफाइड इन शेड्यूल एन. ओके, अपने मन के हिसाब से नहीं होगा, जितना एरिया रिक्वायर्ड, जितनी एरिया होता है. ओके, स्पेस कितना होना चाहिए, रिटेल के लिए कितना होता है, होलसेल के लिए कितना होता है. 10 स्क्वायर मीटर फॉर रिटेल एंड 10 स्क्वायर मीटर फॉर होलसेलर and combine retail and wholesaler for both 15 square meter area required. Okay, next, second last question, price of a drug depend upon options. First, A, cost of raw material. B, government regulation. C, its consumption. D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Okay, last question, a wholesaler serve as a linkage between manufacturer and options are A, retailer. B, consumers. C, both retailer and consumers. D, none of the above. And the right answer is retailer. As you know, the wholesaler is a intermediaries or middleman. The link of wholesaler between manufacturer and retailer. Wholesaler purchase the goods in bulk from the manufacturer and sell them to the retailer according to his need or requirement. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving your precious time to us. If you have any queries or suggestion or comments, you can kindly contact us on the given WhatsApp number or email address. If you found this video is beneficial from examination point of view, then like the video, share with your friends. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never get the updates from our channels. Thank you very much.